tire mobility kit. Essentially what that is a small inflator. They incorporate a can of sealant that is injected into the pump and into the tire. This actually works for minor punctures. If the tire is deflated, what you will find is that if you use that, get the tire reinflated and get to a tire shop, the guys at the tire shop they'll be angry because cleaning that stuff out of the tire is labor intensive. It's not just a simple repair of the tire. A lot of tire shops will then encourage you to just buy a new tire. Depending on how worn down it is, maybe it's a new set of tires or all four. That's one of the things that people might feel secure because they have this tire mobility kit, but a few steps down the process of using it, it's not a real good solution. Not to mention, if there's a sidewall puncture or a serious tire failure, an actual blowout, your tire mobility kit is of no worth. It's not gonna help you. It's still a damaged wheel, yeah. It's still gonna be a tow truck.